basically I am from Bhopal. I had completed my graduation BBA in HR and marketing in 2020. I had joined on 2nd August on-job training program of Evision with CCNA. The course having modules like cloud computing, virtualization, networking, MS Outlook, and I got placement in HCL with the salary package of 3 lakh per annum. The placement team provide what we need for interview preparation. Thank you, Evision, uh, and their support team. Evision gives you wonderful opportunity to groom your career in IT networking. Thank you so much, Evision.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.